Dyslexia can have these hitchhikers that often catch families off guard. It rarely travels alone. And you didn't pick up these creepers on purpose, but they are there riding along. So let me be the first to tell you, just in case, so that you can watch out for these friends who'll be along for the ride. If you're new here, I'm Megan, and I help parents make confident and informed decisions about dyslexia. So the first hitchhiker, that's trouble with multiplication facts, and this one is notorious. If you have a child who was diagnosed with dyslexia early, get ready for third grade because a new friend is about to hop in the car. Kids with dyslexia usually understand how multiplication works, but that quick recall piece, that's where they stall out. Working memory is already working double shifts. So facts like 8 times 7 tend to vanish right when you need them the most. That's why time tests can feel like torture. The fix? Give them an extra math minute or two and make sure they have access to a multiplication chart. That's not a shortcut, it's an accommodation. Another frequent passenger? Well, that's executive function struggles. And if you're not familiar with executive function, I like to call it the secretary of your brain. Sometimes ADHD is also riding shotgun, but even if it's not, dyslexia eats up so much mental energy just to decode and keep up that there's not much left for staying organized. That's when homework goes missing, jackets end up in the lost and found, and projects get started only after 12 reminders. A good planner system, it's an absolute lifesaver. Then there's that left and right confusion hitchhiker. Get used to saying your other left. It's the same brain wiring that flips letters and makes sequencing tricky. Throw in maps and cardinal directions, and it's a whole extra circus. And honestly, I'm not even dyslexic, and I couldn't tell you which way is east without pulling out my phone. Let's also not forget processing speed. This one's tricky. Many kids with dyslexia just need more time. Not because they're slow, but because their brain takes the scenic route to get to the same answer. Different route, same destination. And if that wasn't enough, we've probably also got trouble with word retrieval and time management struggles in that backseat too. So go ahead and just buy that 8-passenger van. Yes, dyslexia makes reading hard, but it's the hitchhikers, the one that you don't always see coming, that can really shape the journey. Some are funny, some are frustrating, and some are just plain exhausting. But once you know about them, you stop blaming your kids for just being lazy or forgetful, and you start giving them the support they actually need to keep driving forward. When you work with Dyslexia on Demand, you can trust that our expertise, individualization, and therapeutic programming set us apart. Please visit us at dyslexiaondemand.com for more information and helpful videos that explain how we can best support your child. And don't forget to like and to subscribe to see all of our videos as they're released.